Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka yune wakulia ala on themekiwe mbini kavindani kama andamano na kukonanwa na siko seongendi mavikiye kulekwa aine na kauntini ya Kwale kavindani kala wane na nekomano ya kila mwaka ya ngwatanio ya mawakili yu ni waweta kanave na vata wa serikali kuwati ya miya unduvailite kavindani kau seneta wa kaunti Ilovi Edwin Sifuna na muyumbe wa Embakasi East na alama vikite komanene yu na ni mametula serikali kwa kulea kwati ya katiba kwa kumekea mbini enendi matenda mavityo na kuidhiwa maitumia nae ofisi wa mutwaisia wa makwani mamwenendi Angelina Musena Mauvo
ayutuvye komano ya kila mwaka ya ngwato ya mawakili na ile atuwe kauntini ya Kwale mutongo wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka yuni wenda ala on the mekiwe mbini kavindani kame atiani mavikiye kulechwa.
Going forward, all Kenyans arrested and detained during the Maandamano protests and Sabasaba Day demonstrations must be released immediately. But ODPP have been here, I've just shared that with you. The Director of Public Prosecution, so happy you're here to hear me say this. As your colleague in the profession, we are saying that all these demonstrators, we call them actually prisoners of conscience. They have to be released immediately and unconditionally. A lot of them are out on bail terms. Thank you again, Madam President. You work very hard. And all those advocates who gave their pro bono services to at least have these young men and women go back to their parents, we really congratulate you.
Kalonzo ni wamienda serikali kuatia miyo na katiba kandi ya Kenya. Uneni ula kwa tomba ni seneta wa kaunti Ilovi Edwin Sifuna na ula yuwa wetakana mevia meneneta ula wa ODPP ni wethi wetu mekanai ni serikali ya wetakana ni wailite idhiwa uyatia miyo kuikidhi akini ya kwa atikana vala vailite.
Era her mind slips to that there were some offenses that were not bailable. That is something we left back many years ago. And I hope she would also address herself to this theme of Kamata Fridays and pre-trial detention applications by the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution here, which is being used by the Director of Public Prosecution. My understanding of your role, I think it is Article 157, that in the execution of your duties under the Constitution, you must have regard to two things: the public interest in the administration of justice and the need to prevent and or avoid abuse of the legal process.
Kavindani kauna ake muyimbo wa Embakasi East Babu wa wino yu ni wamuweta Kalonzo cha mutongo wa kuikwatio na ula utonyovo siandhi ya Kenya kuma kui utongo imudhuku.
We want to tell you that we will continue learning and growing under your guidance, because we are here today because you have led by example. Otherwise, thank you, and to Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka, go here and conquer the nation. My super senator Edwin Sifuna, continue injecting with the syringe and the needle of a camel. To the President of the Republic of Kenya, you must respect the Constitution.
Gilivote ya vilingi wa mauvoni tawa Angelina Musena.